We've been lucky in Telecom Egypt to have a good relation with fiber early. So we started with subsea cables a long time ago, which is used to be in coaxial, and then it started to be fiber. So the deployment and the relation with fiber was before actually deploying it on ground. So we have a long-term journey in 1997 when we started to have fiber submarine cables, and then the technology started to expand to be fiber to the cabinet and then fiber to the home. And we are in this relation over the time. So Telecom Egypt is investing in subsea cables over many years, and we are part of all the concerta cable that is crossing Egypt and the private cable that's connecting the Middle East, Asia, South Africa, East Africa to Europe. And we used to serve this with a decent infrastructure, resilient network. Many submarine cable is landing in different landing stations. We continue to invest in subsea cable stations in the Red Sea and the Mediterranean Sea, connecting them with resilient network. And then looking to the domestic market, people need more connectivity, need fiber as well. So we connect fiber to the backbone, which is serving all the Egyptian market. And then with 5G, all the sites of the mobile sites need to be connected with fiber. So we are signing with the different mobile operators, fiber to the site to connect the fiber to their sites. And all Telecom Egypt sites also is connected with fiber to serve our mobile users. We need to fiberize this and to migrate it from copper to fiber, which is the focus now to say everything is fiber. And you have a slogan that's fiber is the new gold. Data center is the main component of the network, which is hosting and the data which everyone is demanding. So we're talking about networks which would like to connect it to content. This content is actually located in data centers. So we have seen early the need for data centers, and we started to deploy many small data centers in our network, which was serving the enterprise in Egypt and also serving global carriers, global content players that's hosting their data in our data centers. And then we started to see the demand is accelerating, so we started to deploy our RDH data center, which is connected to all the subsea cable stations. Phase one was ready for service in 2021, and it's now almost 100% utilized the space in RDH1. We started to build RDH2, which is the expansion of the second phase of RDH data center. We have another 2 phases. So we continue to expand in data center. However, we cannot say that we will only depend on our investment in data centers. We are connecting our network to any data center in Egypt. We've been lucky also in somehow we've been delayed in having 5G in Egypt, but we've been lucky that we have seen the experience of 5G adoption in different markets. So this gave us experience in what's went wrong and what's went right and what we should focus on, because 5G monetization is a challenge with many carriers. So we have seen and studied what's actually the quickest way to monetize the 5G network by focusing on certain applications which will be actually in need for 5G. So we looked into similar markets, and we have seen how 5G is adopted in those markets. We came as the last mobile operator in the market, and this gave us the chance to be the most ready network for 5G. So our network is 5G ready from the beginning, because we started with 4G actually. So we built a 4G network, 5G ready, and now with getting the license of 5G, we started to open different sites to offer the 5G services.